it's Frankie. Welcome to my channel. Ooh. So today I'm going to take you step by step through my eyeshadow look for today. I'm just going to focus on the eyeshadow because I'm going to an event tonight called Cirque Du Soul and it's very exciting and very colourful, and I also wanted to try and do my cut crease for the first time on camera, and I think it came out okay. It's not perfect obviously because I'm still learning, so let's jump into the video. So first I'm going to take this colour in my NYX Brights palette, this colour right here. And I'm just going to use this as kind of my transition colour. Blending it all the way up, almost all the way to my brow. So yeah, I'm taking it out quite far because I'm just going to clean this up a bit later. Okay, next I'm going to go back in on my NYX palette and use this top colour here. I'm going to take my Zoeva 231 Luxe Petite Crease and go in with this colour in the NYX Brights palette. And I'm just going to take this one a bit lower, concentrate it right into my crease. And bringing it down to the outer portion of my lash line. I'm just going to go back in with my Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease and blend those two colours together. Okay, so again with my Zoeva 231 Luxe Petite, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia palette and pick up Love Letter, which is this colour here. And I'm going to concentrate this really into my crease. Like not letting it go above that second colour I put down. I'm going to go back in with my Zoeva 228 and blend them all together. And I'm just going to go also in my Huda palette and pick up this pink colour because I haven't actually used it yet and I kind of wanted to use it. So I'm going to go in with my Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease. This is my other clean one. Pick up that colour and I'm just going to place this over the top just to brighten it up a little bit. Okay, so now I'm happy with that. I'm just going to clean up that under eye bit. I'm still practicing my cut creases, so they aren't perfect, but I mean, I might as well give it a go. So I'm just going to take the concealer on my Harry Potter brush. It's a flat, round concealer brush. I'm just going to lift up my eyebrow and start cutting my crease. I'm going to take it just above my natural crease, because otherwise it transfers onto above my crease anyway. Okay, so I decided to go for just like the plain cut crease. Okay, and I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerriero palette and spray my Zoeva 232 Luxe Classic Shader brush with my Fix Plus. I'm just going to dip into Kitty Cat, this one here. I'm just going to place it in the middle of the cut crease where the white meets the pink. Now I'm going to go in my Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease and just blend that in so there's no harsh lines. Okay, so I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so it took me a little while, but I finished my makeup for Cirque. On my lips I've got Kylie Cosmetics Head Over Heels, and on my eyes I used a combination of my NYX Brights palette, my Huda Rose Gold palette and my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm really happy with how it came out. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. I know this wasn't a very long video, but I just wanted to take you step by step what I was doing tonight because I thought it was quite colourful and fun. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel and I hopefully see you next time.